Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So this is my sister Julie, and she came round on Saturday for a sleepover with my niece, and I was pressured into doing a set of nails for her. So I've done all the prep on her natural nails. I applied Glitter Planet's tapered square tips. I cut them, shaped them, I applied my clear layer, and then we're going in with design. So here I'm using Banana from CJP. If you follow me on Instagram, you'll see that I did a set of these on Tuesday, Wednesday, one of those two. And a lot of my clients are like, I want that colour, I want this colour. It's so weird to do them in January, but I really love this colour, so I'm not complaining. So yeah, the one that I did on Tuesday or Wednesday was just full banana, whereas this one's going to have a little design in it. So yeah, she was like, oh, they're like Khloe Kardashian, because she always has like bright neon yellow or green or something crazy. But yeah, they were so nice. I'm hoping people have these in summer as well, or like a really neon orange as well, or green would be nice, wouldn't it? Imagine bright green. I feel like this has got a slight tinge of green to it, like if I look at it in certain ways, or not, I don't know. But anyway, on the baby and the pointer, I'm going to do an ombre. So I'm applying it halfway down the nail, blending back, and then leaving that to set for a second. I'm using my Glitter Planet Magic Stick today. So then the middle finger is going to be like a little design sort of thing. I've done it before on my channel, so I'm sure you've seen it before. So here I'm using Birthday Suit at the cuticle area and dragging down. This is just to cover the colour of our nail bed, really, so it's more of a nice even colour. So I'm going to do that, and then I'm going to come in with that banana, and I'm going to put it at the tip and drag it like halfway up the nail. Not even caring if it blends or not, because we're going to come in with some glitter. I just wanted the colour there. I wanted to go a little bit more down one side, so that's what I'm going to do here. So as you can see, the blend is really just disgusting. Imagine I was like, I'm going to leave it like that. So then I'm going to come in with, this is CJP Angel Wings. I'm just going to cover that where the two colours meet, and do like a little swoosh around the nail, around the cuticle a little bit, and then down the opposite side. Really love doing this. It just looks so good. And at the end I was like, I didn't tell her I was going to do this. She just wanted one glitter and the rest all like yellow or ombre. And then I just did this. She was like, oh my God. And I was like, Gee, what was your favourite now? And she was like, the middle one. It looks really good. So yeah, that was Angel Wings. And then I come in with Sonia Williams glitter, white silver it's called, and I'll just pat that into the wet acrylic. So yeah, I'm just going to make this keep building up until I'm happy with it. So then the ring finger is going to be a full glitter now. So this is Angel Wings on the base, just a full. I love Angel Wings. It's so nice. I've only just got it. It's been out for a little while, I think. but I only have just got it in the past couple of days and I'm loving it. So I didn't want to just do a full silver now. I wanted to add a little bit of yellow into it somehow. So, and obviously the white silver from Sonia, from her glitters. So yeah, just building up that colour there. And then I've used that same glitter that we used on the middle finger, but then I found a neon yellow glitter as well, and I just mixed the two together and just nudged it on over the top of that wet acrylic. And yeah, I did like the final result of it. At first I was like, oh, I shouldn't do that now, but I went with it, and at the end it looked fine. So sometimes like you worry and you panic, but as soon as you cap it, file it and shape it and top coat it, it looks nice. It's so weird. I think, oh, this is disgusting, and then you finish, like if I do that with a marble, I do a marble and I'm like, this is the worst marble I've ever done, and I'll cap it and I'll file it, and it turns out usually my favourite marble. So don't doubt yourself sometimes, just go with it, believe in yourself. There was me just flipping it around and checking it. So yeah, I'm just going to keep nudging and patting until I'm happy. So now back to these two fingers, I'm picking up a bead of birthday soap, placing it in the cuticle area and dragging down, and just trying to blend that as much as I can. I wish, when I was doing it, I was like, why did I use glitter? I should have done this first. I always do that because then just glitter gets everywhere and just ruins the set. Especially if you're doing a blend, it just ruins it, doesn't it? Because you have to nudge into it and stuff. But anyway, I think I eventually got another bit of kitchen towel and put it down to cover all the glitter. But yeah, that's what I'm just doing here. Keep picking up bits of bits. Why can't I keep calling them beads? Bits. Just keep picking up beads of acrylic and building and making sure that blend is beautiful. If need be, I'll go. There's me putting that little bit down. Get rid of that glitter. If need be, I'll come in with some more yellow as well, and I'll blend backwards. So I was going to do another ombre on this thumb, but I decided actually, do you know what, let's do a full yellow nail. So that's just what I'm going to do here, and then I obviously cap all the nails in crystal glass. So I didn't record me capping them because you've seen me do it a trillion times, and I thought I'd just leave in a little bit of me filing in real time rather than sped up. So yeah, I'm using my flat top bit and my saeyang K35 to do this. My favourite nail file and my favourite bit. So yeah, I'll just let you watch this. So then I'll come in with my hand file and I'll shape, and once I'm happy with that, I'll then buff them lovely and smooth, and we are ready for top coat. So the top coat that I'm using today is the Gel Bottle Extreme Shine top coat, and I'm going to apply a thin layer of that over all the nails. She'll cure in my LED lamp for a full 60 seconds. I'll apply Naff Stuff Cuticle Oil in Banana, standard. And that is the set complete. So I do hope you enjoyed this video. Any discount codes I'll leave in the description box along with everything that I've used. I do hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up, and if you're not already subscribed to my channel, I would love it if you did, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.